Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says new drone rules will tremendously help startups and youths. Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav launches e-Shram portal for unorganized sector workers. Union Minister of State Renuka Singh in Kohima meets CM, discusses developmental activities pertaining to the state. And Nagaland GB Federation submits representation to the Chief Minister to keep on hold any proposal for change in the nomenclature and role. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the new drone rules will tremendously help startups and youth working in this sector. In a series of tweets, Modi said it will open up new possibilities for innovation and business and help leverage India's strengths in innovation, technology and engineering to make India a drone hub. He added that the new rules will usher in a landmark moment for this sector in India. The Prime Minister said the rules are based on the premise of trust and self-certification and approvals. Compliance requirements and entry barriers have been significantly reduced. The centre has announced Drone Rules 2021, which reduced the yellow zone from 45 kilometres to 12 kilometres from the airport perimeter. No permission is required for operating a drone in green zones and up to 200 feet in the area between 8 and 12 kilometres from the airport perimeter. As per the rules, the coverage of drones have been increased from 300 to 500 kilograms to include heavy payload carrying drones and drone taxis. The number of permissions has been reduced from 25 to 5. No security clearance will be required before any registration or license issuance. The government has also reduced fees for permissions to nominal levels. The maximum penalty has also been reduced to 1 lakh rupees. This will, however, not apply to penalties in respect of violation of other laws. Labour and Employment Minister Bhupendra Yadav launched e-Shram portal, a national database on unorganized workers in New Delhi today. The portal will remain a database of workers in the country's unorganized sector and facilitate better implementation of various social security schemes for their welfare. The Union Minister thanked the union leaders for their valuable and constructive suggestions and emphasized that they have a key role towards PTA registration, implementation at field level and taking the portal to the unorganized workers. Chief Minister Nipirio met Union Minister of State for Tribal Affairs Renuka Singh to discuss developmental activities pertaining to the state of Nagaland. In a tweet, the Chief Minister said he, along with his colleagues, met the Union Minister and had a fruitful meeting. The other ministers present were Gaito Aye, Nipa Krono, and advisors Katie Sukalo and Monlamo Kikon. The Union Minister, who arrived in Kohima today by road through Imphal route, took stock of various programs and schemes under Tribal Affairs Ministry in Nagaland. The Nagaland GB Federation NGPF has submitted a representation to Chief Minister Nipirio asking state government to keep on hold any proposal to change nomenclature of Kanpuras and its role in urban or rural. The NGPF said that pertaining to the urban GP's appointment discussed during the consultative meeting recently held with the tribal Hohos has disturbed the understanding of Kanpura all over the state. The Federation stated that till the final structure of the agreement of the Naga political movement, all subjects pertaining to the Naga customary laws, jurisprudence, practices, procedures be kept on hold. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. As our nation celebrates the 75th year of independence, a series of events are being organized by the government as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. To commemorate the occasion as a Jan Utsav, we present India at 75 quiz with AIR News Kohima, a special quiz on India's freedom movement and its glorious history, every Thursday in the evening news bulletin. And here goes our question to the week for English. What was the name of an all-women regiment set up in Azad Hind Fauj? I repeat, what was the name of an all-women regiment set up in Azad Hind Fauj? Listeners can send their responses to the question to our email airnewskohima.india75@gmail.com and SMS or WhatsApp to 9485 239950. I repeat, 9485 239950, along with name and address. The first correct answer received from the participants will be selected as the winner and will be announced in tomorrow's morning news at 7:30 a.m. Advisor Horticulture and Border Affairs, Madang Yantan, today flagged off the distribution of winter seeds on the Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture 2021-22 and North Eastern Council 2020-21 at the Directorate of Horticulture, Kohima. Speaking as the special guest, Yantan appreciated the department for timely procurement of seeds in order to ensure that seeds reached farmers on time. He said that Nagaland has enough surplus production but no proper market or post-harvest technology. The seeds were distributed to identified villages for COVID-19 post-pandemic economic recovery activities. No COVID-19 death was reported in the state in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of recoveries continued to surpass new positive cases. Nagaland today recorded 60 fresh cases, while 84 persons have recovered from the infection. The cumulative total of the state stands at 29,778 and total recoveries 27,457. COVID death toll remained at 598. The state has 845 active cases. As part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is celebrating Iconic Week. A number of programs will mark the celebrations. All India Radio will broadcast Azadi Ka Safar Akashwani Ke Saath and a special program Unsung Heroes Bhima Nayak in Bari Grama at 4:30 p.m. While programs are also telecast by Doordarshan, Bureau of Outreach Communication will organize outreach programs, Publication Division will organize book exhibitions, National Film Development Corporation will stream the film Ek Ghar, and National Film Archives of India will inaugurate virtual poster exhibitions. Film Division will organize an online film festival titled Ratnas of India. Nagaland Public Service Commission has informed that written examination for the Combined Technical Services Examination 2021 will be held from 25th of September onwards. Eligible candidates have been informed that admission certificate containing details of routine and instructions can be downloaded by submitting examination application case number at www.nbsc.nagaland.gov.in from 20th September. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says new drone rules will tremendously help startups and youths. Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav launches e-Shram portal for unorganized sector workers. Union Minister of State Renuka Singh in Kohima meets CM, discusses developmental activities pertaining to the state. And Nagaland GB Federation submits representation to the Chief Minister to keep on hold any proposal for change in nomenclature or role. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.